Welcome back, guys. I'm going to be making eggplant today, eggplant stew. I got a request for it, and I gotta admit, I've been jamming to that song since I heard it on the radio. I don't know how I'm just hearing it. I feel cheated, but she has the best voice ever. So the Liberian way of cutting this will be this way. And in Africa, our eggplant is a whole lot smaller than this, but everything in America is jumbo size. And then we just cut into smaller size like that and go really small. But I'll just use my big knife and make my life easier. So you heat up 1 cup of oil and add stew meat. After browning, take it out. Now I'll do shrimp. I just wanted the shrimp to get brown. Really doesn't take long. Saute the onions. This is 1 cup of onions. Saute for about a minute. Add 1 cup of tomato. And now the eggplant. Let the eggplant fry for about 1 minute. It's really soft, doesn't take long. So after 1 minute, I'm going to add everything else. I got my meat in here. Chicken, goat meat, turkey. You can go with whatever you want. And then I'll add these back in. Coriander, curry powder, salt. I have 3 hot peppers and 2 garlic cloves blended in here. Add it as well. I add 2 Maggi